Hello, space explorers! Whether you're a lifelong fan of spaceflight or just joining us for the first time, welcome to a moment that will be remembered for generations. Today we stand on the brink of something truly special, a turning point in our journey to the stars. Starship Flight 11 is just days away from launch, a milestone marking the end of the Block II era and the beginning of a bold new chapter in space exploration. Ship 38 and Booster 15 are the last of their kind, ready for one final spectacular mission that will push the limits of what we thought possible. Every test flight has pushed boundaries and taught us something new, each one a stepping stone on the path to the stars. Flight 11 will build on the success of Flight 10, which proved Starship can deploy satellites and do real work in space, opening doors to new possibilities for science and industry. After this, all eyes turn to Block 3, bigger, more capable, and ready to unlock the solar system. The next generation of Starship will take us farther than ever before. But first, Block 2 gets its grand finale, a celebration of everything we've learned and achieved so far. These vehicles were our training wheels, helping us learn, fail, and try again. They've been the foundation for every leap forward. Now, we're ready to take them off and reach for the stars, confident in the knowledge and experience we've gained. This isn't just a rocket launch. It's a testament to human ingenuity, teamwork, and our relentless drive to explore the unknown. Thousands have worked tirelessly to make this possible, building a future where humanity is multiplanetary and our dreams have no limits. Starship Flight 11 is the symbol of that dream, a beacon of hope and ambition for all of us. It's the end of an era and the start of incredible new adventures as we set our sights on the next great leap. As we look to the Texas sky, let's appreciate this moment together, united by curiosity and wonder. This launch represents progress, persistence, and the spirit of exploration that defines us as a species. The world is watching as we close one chapter and open another, stepping boldly into the future. Get ready for liftoff. History is about to be made. Let's watch it fly and dream of what comes next. Before a rocket can soar into the sky, it must first prove its strength and reliability here on Earth. That's exactly what a static fire test is designed to accomplish. It's a crucial milestone in the journey to space, where every system is pushed to its limits while the rocket remains firmly anchored to the ground. Yesterday, Ship 38 ignited all 6 of its powerful Raptor engines for a full 25 seconds, held tightly to the launch pad. The roar and flames were a dramatic display of raw power, but also of careful engineering. This was a full-duration test, simulating the intense conditions the engines will face during real ascent. Every second counts, and every moment is measured. It took 3 determined attempts to get everything just right, highlighting the team's relentless commitment to safety, precision, and learning from each try. If anything is even slightly off, the test is immediately halted. Safety always comes first, no exceptions. Before ignition, engineers spent 30 minutes chilling the engines with cryogenic propellants, ensuring every component was at the perfect temperature for a flawless test. A successful static fire means the rocket's heart is strong, engines, pumps, and computers working together in perfect harmony, ready for the challenges ahead. It's the final, critical health check before the rocket is cleared for launch, ensuring every system is ready for flight. Think of it as a world-class sprinter's warm-up before the big race. Every muscle, every fiber, every system must be ready to perform at its peak. Now, with the Raptors silent, engineers pore over every bit of data, temperatures, pressures, vibrations, and more, searching for any sign of trouble or perfection. This green light from the test clears the way for the final launch preparations, moving the mission one step closer to liftoff. Each step brings us closer to seeing this incredible machine climb to the stars. The anticipation and excitement are building with every passing moment. The heart of the beast is ready, pulsing with energy and potential. Flight 11 is now one step closer to making history. The stage is set. Let's get ready for launch. After the static fire, the real work begins. The test may be over, but it's just the start of a complex and carefully choreographed process to get Starship and its booster ready for flight. Ship 38 is carefully lifted off the pad and rolled back to the factory for a thorough round of final inspections and detailed data review. Engineers pore over every bit of information, searching for even the smallest issues that could affect the mission. There, it's fitted with its flight termination system, a crucial safety device designed to protect the public and the mission in case of an emergency during flight. Meanwhile, Booster 15 is prepped with its hot staging ring, a key component for the unique separation maneuver that will occur during ascent. This technology is vital for the next phase of Starship's development. Once all checks are complete, Ship 38 receives its payload, test equipment or mock satellites loaded to prove Starship's delivery capabilities and to simulate real mission conditions. The ship returns to the pad and is stacked atop Booster 15, forming the full Starship system. This stacking is a delicate operation requiring precision and teamwork. SpaceX moves fast. Both vehicles could be ready for launch by month's end, a pace that's almost unheard of in the world of rocketry. This rapid cycle of building, testing, and flying is what sets the program apart, pushing the boundaries of what's possible in spaceflight. Each step is a lesson learned, a move forward. Every launch, every test, brings new insights and improvements. Soon, Ship 38 and Booster 15 will stand tall, ready for their historic flight, representing years of innovation and relentless effort. The final preparations are nearly complete. Every bolt, wire, and system is checked and double-checked. The countdown to launch is on. Anticipation builds as the world watches and waits. The stage is set for a flight into history. Let's watch them soar and witness the next giant leap in space exploration. While Ship 38 and Booster 15 prepare, Starbase is evolving. SpaceX is building not just rockets but a true spaceport. The new deluge system at Pad 2 is key, spraying water to absorb the rocket's energy and sound. With 2 pads, SpaceX can launch more often, up to 25 flights a year, thanks to FAA approval. Regulatory support and local control, with Starbase now an official town, streamline operations. Upgrades are designed for the heavier Block 3 starships and future booster-catching attempts. Every improvement, from stronger pads to advanced launch towers, is about building for the future. The goal, a gateway to space, where rockets launch and land like airplanes. Starbase is becoming a city dedicated to space exploration. All these efforts are part of a grand strategy to make spaceflight routine. The future of launch is being built right now. As rockets evolve and technology advances, so do the people who fly them. NASA's newest class of astronauts includes 10 remarkable individuals, chosen from over 8,000 highly qualified applicants. 2 are SpaceX veterans, proof of the growing partnership between NASA and SpaceX, which is changing spaceflight. Experience with Dragon and Starship is now a pathway to becoming an astronaut, opening new doors for future explorers. This new class is training for a future beyond the Space Shuttle and ISS, preparing for missions never attempted before. They are the Artemis generation, aiming to return humanity to the moon, and stay for the long term. Starship will be their lunar lander, connecting today's test flights to tomorrow's ambitious moon missions. NASA and SpaceX together are building the rockets and training the explorers for the next giant leap in human spaceflight. The partnership is shaping America's future in space, inspiring a new generation. The journey to new worlds is truly underway. The new space race is on, and it's about building a lasting presence beyond Earth. In 2025, the US leads with 142 orbital launches, 120 by SpaceX's reusable Falcon 9. Reusability is the game changer, making frequent, affordable launches possible. China is catching up with 56 launches, but most use expendable rockets, costly and wasteful. SpaceX's approach gives the US a huge advantage in capability and cost. Frequent launches enable Starlink, scientific missions, and national security payloads at an unprecedented pace. Falcon 9 is now the world's go-to launch vehicle. Starship will take this further, lifting over 100 tons to orbit in a single, reusable flight. Every Starship test, including Flight 11, is a showcase of American leadership. Each success widens the gap and cements the U.S. as the premier spacefaring nation. Innovation in Texas is setting a new global standard. The world is watching and dreaming. America is leading the way. China is determined to close the gap in the space race. They're developing reusable rockets and planning mega constellations, learning from SpaceX's success. Their state-backed approach means massive resources and rapid progress. China's ambitions go beyond Earth. They have a permanent space station, Mars and lunar landings, and plans for a moon base. This parallel push creates a dynamic competition of technology and vision. The race inspires innovation and boldness on both sides. The first space race led to Apollo. This one could lead to even greater achievements. China's progress is a reminder: leadership in space must be earned daily. The challenge drives everyone to reach higher. The next frontier is wide open. Why does Starship's flight matter? Because it's more than a rocket, it's a vehicle for our dreams. Starship's reusability could slash the cost of reaching orbit, unlocking the solar system for humanity. This is the foundation of America's leadership in space. Starship is central to NASA's Artemis program, aiming to return humans to the moon and build a sustainable presence. The moon is just the beginning. Elon Musk's vision is Mars, with uncrewed missions possible as soon as 2026. Every successful flight brings science fiction closer to reality. Flight 11 is another step toward the moon, Mars, and a multi-planetary future. Watching Ship 38 and Booster 15 fly is watching hope in action. The future is being built before our eyes. This is a beacon of human curiosity and ambition. Each launch lights the way to the stars. The journey is just beginning. Let's change the world.